Hey guys, welcome to Mansions and Memorials. Rising above Midtown Toronto, it's Casa Loma. That's where we are today. Canada's only full-size castle, built in 1911 by a wealthy businessman and dreamer. It was designed to rival the estates of Europe. 100 rooms, secret passageways, and we're going to tour the secret garden. We're going to do the full walk here. And as you can see, it's just a little nice secluded area where you can walk romantically with your loved one through. And it's kind of, you get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. You can look at some sculptures that are along the pathway, like this one here, very interesting. Look at this, you'll probably see a chipmunk or a squirrel passing through. You'll hear lots of birds. It's very nice little setting in the backyard. Imagine this is your backyard. Another nice carving, beautiful just flowers and bushes all over the place here. You can see Toronto in the skyline there ahead. Just a beautiful garden, like I said. In the spring you have wildflowers and tulips. 7 varieties of roses. It just smells beautiful here. I recommend you come in here, especially if you want a little romantic or just a little quiet getaway for a few minutes. You're gonna get it here, believe it or not. Stone walls, hedges, look at this. Another interesting character on the way. We're gonna keep over this way. A lot of couples come here to do wedding photos. There's some benches you can sit on and reflect on life. The pathway is not going to kill you, right? It's nice on the feet. You're not going to slip. It's got some gravel down. Here's a nice bench right there for some quiet reflection. This is closer to the street, though. You can see some cars going by. Still quite quiet, though. And the bench, of course, the benches aren't facing the street, so you can kind of like have a seat. Maybe you'll have a bird chirping at your ear. You'll have a squirrel or chipmunk coming down and say hi. Just to take a breather. There's nice garbage. If you have a drink, you can put it there after you're done. And just keep strolling up. It's really, really nice. Now, there's a lot of movies that have been filmed at Casa Loma. If you've seen X-Men, you might notice in the background parts of Casa Loma. They also had the movie The Tuxedo and The Handmaid's Tale. And lots of shade here too, little spots to catch some fresh air. Lots of interesting characters there. And we just scroll, then we just walk up the steps. It's going to take us to the side of the castle. Very cool. Today it's owned by Liberty Entertainment Group. They restored it, and they're trying to get it as a tourist attraction, of course. It's actually been a public attraction since 1937, just different owners like throughout the years. But it's really amazing. I'll show you inside on another video because I don't want this to be a 2-hour video, but we'll definitely show you inside the castle. So please like and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you get notified when I post a new video. So you can see inside. I'll even do the tunnel. There's a secret. Everything's a secret here. There's a secret tunnel that I'm going to take you on. It goes across the street underneath to the stables. It's pretty cool. And here is the end of our tour today. There's Secret Gardens, and you can come up. As you can see, the beautiful Casa Loma in sight. Imagine that. And I just want to let you know, if you're tired of your internet service being always down or too expensive in Canada, check out oxio.ca. Use my referral code right there, and you'll get a free month, your first free month. And I'll also get a free month as a thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks again for watching the Secret Garden tour at Casa Loma. I'll see you in the next one.